Hi there, my name's Allison and today we're going to wire a pair of batteries for your Razor unit. Let's get started. Alrighty, so we're going to get started with the Razor MX350 versions 9 through 32 battery pack. This battery pack consists of two 12-volt batteries, the 4-pin 2-wire harness, and the inline fuse holder with wires. So first we're going to rotate our batteries so that the short sides with the terminals are all facing you. And then we're going to connect the inline fuse holder first. And you'll see that this has two red wires, so it doesn't matter which way you install it. It could go this way or it could go this way. But first you're going to connect one of those wires to the inside red positive terminal, and then the other wire goes to the inside black negative terminal. Now that's nice and secure. We're going to move on to the 4-pin 2-wire harness. This one you will see does have a red wire and a black wire, so this one it does matter which wire goes to which terminal. We'll start with the red wire going to the outside red positive terminal, and then the black wire going to the outside black negative terminal. And there we go. And there you go. Your batteries are now wired in series and ready to be installed. If you have any trouble, don't hesitate to contact us. We're more than happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.